In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister purge solenoid valve on your Chevy Cruze. It's located behind the engine. We're going to pull out this red tab to remove this hose. It has two notches. Pull it out first like that, and then pull it again. Like that. And when it's completely out like that, you're going to be able to just pull this off. Now we're going to disconnect our connector here. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to unlock it. So you're going to push this white thing out. Like that. And then you'll be able to disconnect the connector, push down and pull, and release the connector. Now we're going to unlock the green clip on the other side. You're going to pick it up, use a screwdriver or a pick, and pick it up away from the line. After you make that go up, you're going to pull this off. Now we're going to remove the canister by picking it up and off of its hook. Remove it. Now we're going to install our new one. I put some silicone paste on the rubber piece to make it easier for install. You can do the same. You're going to find the bracket. And you're going to slide it on. Now we're going to put this back hose on, the one furthest away. Once you know it's on all the way, you're going to lock it in place by pushing down on that green connector. Now we're going to go to the other side. I'm going to plug it in. And then lock it in. Now we're going to put this hose on. Make sure that red connector is up. Slide it on and lock it into place. Make sure it's all the way down. Give it a check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.